Hi, I'm Blake Tice with Bluewater Yacht Sales. I want to welcome you to the 2026 Regulator 25. This boat was reintroduced last year. It has been immensely popular and we've gotten so many requests about it, so we're going to take time to do a video on it. Starting here at the helm, you have glass windshield with a vent, dual Garmin electronics displays, autopilot, Garmin VHF, and your Yamaha display. Your Fusion audio unit is built into your switching panel. You see all the switches are recessed in here for a really nice clean look. The Edson steering wheel. This boat, new for 2026, has the SeaKeeper Ride automatic trim tabs. You have your VHF handheld mic here and your Yamaha binnacle in a glove box. We have the optional anti-fatigue mat built into the deck for a nice upscale touch. And then looking at the seats, these are also upgraded upholstery with the diamond stitching and the gray accents, and then the twin footrests as well. Let's walk into the cockpit. This is the Deluxe tackle center. So you have rod holders and cup holders here, some more below, some tackle and knife storage as you can see, and then plano boxes below. Lots of tackle storage on this boat. Looking up at the hardtop, we also have the optional rocket launchers. While we're looking at the hardtop, first of all, notice how robust it is, and then notice all the features built into this. JL audio system, there's speakers everywhere in this boat. These are tracks for spray curtains, so when you're out rock fishing and it's cold, they're there to keep you warm and dry. And then you have the Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers and a light bar forward. In the back, here's your bilge access. You'll see it's very clean, everything's well labeled, and you have bucket storage integrated into here as well. A fold-out aft bench, again with that nice upgraded upholstery. These are your engine flushes, and then this door opens up and you have a walk-through tuna door. Synthetic teak bracket, and then we have the twin Yamaha 250 horsepower engines. Top speed on this boat's going to be the mid-50s. Let's move up to the bow. As we pass the console, we have a nicely finished console here with a head integrated in here as well. Your forward seats have twin armrests, and you have a cooler below, a centerline macerated fish box, and rod storage, lockable. Storage beneath all of the seats. We have the backrests here, so it's great for relaxation. And then all the way forward, we have our anchor locker with our windlass. It has a Lumar windlass and all those controls up there as well. Thank you for visiting the 2026 Regulator 25. Let us know if you have any questions and visit us at bluewateryachtsales.com.